Hi, let us understand TDS analysis in a purchase transaction in Kitaabh. Let me edit the purchase transaction. And under TDS analysis, we have two different tabs. Advance adjustments is for adjusting any advance payment made to a vendor with this specific transaction. And under analysis, you can notice the details of the vendor, like the party name, their PAN, their residential status, and the deductive type. So I have currently enabled TDS under section 194Q, where any payments made to a vendor above 50 lakhs for purchase of goods, TDS will be applicable at the rate of 0.1% in case if the PAN is available, and at 5% if PAN is not available. So here you can notice that the threshold limit is 50 lakhs for this, and the assessable value in our example is 2,50,000. So there is no TDS amount here. Let me quickly change the value of the transaction and see if TDS is being auto-populated. Let me just change the quantity to maybe 1000 units and add the item. And in this scenario, since the value of transactions is above 50 lakhs, the TDS analysis, you can see that TDS is being auto-populated. So over and above the threshold limit of 50 lakhs, TDS is being calculated at a percentage of 0.1%, and the TDS amount is 20,000. And auto-populated, which is TDS on purchase of goods for the amount of TDS which we saw earlier. This summarizes the TDS analysis in a purchase transaction in Kitaabh.